Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to know the storage size of your C drive, D drive, E drive, or any other storage mediums that you have on your desktop or computer. So we're on my computer, Windows number 10, I believe, or 11. And what we're going to do, we're going to go to the bottom where you see this file icon, tap on it. Tapping on that, you're going to get all these documents. You're going to go to the left and go to PC. Tap on PC and you'll be taken over to all the different storage memories that you have on your computer. Currently, I have 4 storage members. I have the C drive, D drive, E drive, and my external passport. Now here we have the number of storage memories in total and the number of freed. So here I have 165 free storage. In total, it's 251 GB, and that's for my C drive. When I go to my D, I have in total 195. Currently 166 is free. My data, which is about 931 gigabytes in total, 855 free, and my passport. So all the different memories that I have stored inside and outside of my computer are showed here. I can get an idea of how much is stored and how much is empty on these devices. So I hope you've gotten a lot from this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Chat with you in the next one. Bye.